Okay, this is a trigonometry question. So first thing to do with trigonometry is to label each of the different sides of the right angle triangle. Longest side, always opposite right angle, is my hypotenuse. Find the angle which you have been given. This one because my opposite, so my adjacent is the angle sitting next to it. Once I've labelled the right angle triangle, I tend to write down my formula straight away. I use the rule 3 old angels skipping over heaven carrying a harp. That reminds me of my 3 formula. The key then is to identify which measurement you're actually looking for. So let's read the question. The diagram represents a vertical pole, okay, which is A, C to D. AB is a horizontal ground. BC is a wire of length 8.5 meters, which we've been given there. The height of the pole AD is 9 meters, so this distance from here to here is 9 meters. For the pole to be correctly installed, the length DC has to be at least 1 meter. Show that the pole has been correctly installed. So this question is really about the height of this triangle in relation to the 9 meters. If I can show that this distance is 8 meters or less, then the pole is correctly installed, because we know this has to be at least 1 meter tall. Okay, so choosing the right formula. I know what my hypotenuse is, so I certainly don't want to be using tan because it doesn't involve hypotenuse. I'm trying to calculate the height of the pole, which is my opposite, so I really want opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is the sine rule. So I'm going to use sine. Sine always is followed by the angle. So the angle we've got is 68. So sine 68 equals my opposite divided by my hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is 8.5, so I've put that in. And then all I need to do is to times the 8.5 by sine 68. Now I'm going to just do that on the calculator here. So I'm going to do sine 68. I actually press my equals at that stage to make sure that I don't times the 68 by the 8.5. I want to make sure I only times all of that by 8.5. So I'm going to times by 8.5 equals 8.5 times by sine 68. Okay, and I get my value of 7.88 out. Now 7.88 is the height of my triangle, so that's clearly less than the 8 meters that we were looking at before. I've also done a bit of a calculation on what height that actually is by taking the 7.88 away from 9, and I got 1.12 meters, so it is correct.